earlier today, I made a post on my Twitter profile. If you're not following me, follow me at Witness Riches. Anyway, I basically said that the reason you're not making a breakthrough is because of your mindset. For my credit repair clients, some of them, their issue is credit card debt. And that's the reason they're not seeing the results they want with their credit score. They understand this, but they have goals of getting a house, buying their dream house, not just getting a house, getting the dream house, the forever house in the next 3 to 6 months. But at the same time, they will, not all of them, but some of them, and they know who I'm talking about. They have this goal of getting that house in 3 to 6 months. They understand that they have this credit issue where they keep piling debt on their credit cards and it's hurting their credit utilization. But at the same time, they went ahead and put a vacation on their credit card. So they're adding more debt to their credit card, which is hurting their credit utilization more, which causes the credit score to suffer even more. But they have a goal of buying a house in the next 3 to 6 months. And a lot of you fall into this same cycle. You have goals for yourself, but your mindset is preventing you from making those happen because you keep thinking the same way. And the way you're thinking is causing you to keep making these same minor mistakes. You cannot have, in this example, your cake and eat it too. Not that way you can't. And what you have to do is you have to sacrifice the temporary want, the temporary desire for the long-term goal. Otherwise, you'll never reach that long-term goal. Hey, somebody had to say it.